Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another fab or fail video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a new set in the collection of ELMERS goo. And this collection is called Retro Flash. Let's get right to it. Here in front of me I have the new ELMERS goo Retro Flash slime collection. Let's open it. This one right here is called Retro Pop, and it smells like blue raspberries, and it includes music note confetti. This one right here is called Just Fun, and it features glow-in-the-dark stars and can be played with in the dark. And this pink one right here is called Retro Glam, and it has crunchy foam beads, and it has a bubblegum scent. Let's open the Retro Pop first. After you unscrew the lid, there will be a paper layer that's here that you'll have to peel off, and there's a little tab right here that you can easily pull it off, just like this. And here I have the blue slime. It feels amazing. You can just pull it right out of this container. It also smells really good. It's this big clear blue slime which looks beautiful. I really like the smell of the blue raspberries that it has. It smells nice. And this one includes the music notes, so I'm going to open up the music notes part. There's this plastic layer like there was when you were opening the slime on the music notes, so you can open that as well after you've played with your blue slime for a little bit. Taking this lid out was a little difficult, but it was definitely manageable. And right here, I have the music notes. I'm going to use my scissors. Move this aside. And kind of just sprinkle the music notes around. This looks really pretty. You can actually see it looks like music notes. It's really pretty. I'm going to just push them all in. This is really pretty. Adding the music notes made it really pretty, and it feels really cool, almost like a crunchy slime. And then this one is actually a bigger music note. It's a lot thicker than the other ones, which I found super cool. I really like this one. It feels amazing to poke. And it smells so good. I really like this one. I think this blue one was definitely a fab. So let's move on to the next two slimes. And while packaging up the Retro Pop blue slime, I just used this orange lid instead of this clear one that was on top because it was a little difficult to take off in the beginning. So I just put this orange one on. Now let's go to the next one. This one is called Just Fun, and it's this clear slime with the glow-in-the-dark stars. Let's open it. This one has the same layer on top, just like it had on the blue one, so you can just use this tab and open it up. This one looks super clear, which looks really pretty. Whoa. This one cools. You can just pull it out of the container. This one kind of smells like cinnamon. This really cool, clear orange slime. This one feels really cool, and it has a lot of bubbles on this one. And for this one, I had said it comes with the glow-in-the-dark stars. So let's open up the stars that we have right here. Spread this slime out a little bit more. And let's take the stars. The stars look so cool. They feel really nice too with the slime. Whoa. The stars is making this like really pokey and nice, and it has a lot of bubbles that come too. You can see the stars nicely. That was a big bubble. Whoa. Now that we have played with this one, we are going to move on to the final slime, which is Retro Glam. So right here I have the Retro Glam pink one, and this one's supposed to smell like bubble gum, and it has the foam bead. So let's open it. Just like the last two, this one has the paper on top, so you can just use the little tab they've given you and just pull it off. This one smells amazing already after you take that off. It feels amazingly soft, and it smells awesome, and it looks really pretty too. I'm just gonna take this right out of here. That looked so pretty. Look at this. This is so beautiful, and it smells amazing. This has to be by far the best one yet. What? This one is really soft too. And as I said, this one actually comes with foam beads. So you can just take those out. And they are rainbow. So that will be cool. So these foam beads are about to go into this beautiful pink slime. This is still super cool. and it crunches amazing even without the foam beads. Okay, so now I'm going to flatten it out so I can put the foam beads in. Just like that. I'm going to open up the rainbow foam beads. These look so cool. So I'm just going to sprinkle them around, kind of like sprinkles. These feel so cool. I'm just going to push them in the slime, spread them around a little bit more so they're everywhere. This one is so cool. It feels amazing. Foam bead roller there. It looks super cool. I really, really like this one. This one feels so cool. And I definitely think on the FAB scale, this is on the top. Almost over the FAB. This one's so cool. I love how this feels with the foam beads. And it stretches really nicely. Amazing crunch even with the foam beads. My favorite slime out of all three of those would probably be the Retro Glam, which is the pink one. It smelled amazing. I loved the color, and the foam beads was beautiful inside of the slime. My second favorite would have to be the blue one. I really liked the smell of it, and I liked how all of the music notes were really cool, and it matched the slime a lot. My least favorite would have to be the orange one that was clear, because I didn't really like the color that much, but it smelled good and I loved the glow-in-the-dark stars. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!